In this video, I will show you exactly how to grow a healthy and bushy curry leaf plant in a pot. Let us get started. Pot selection. First, choose the right pot. Curry leaf plants have a long taproot, so the pot must be deep. Use a pot that is at least 12 to 14 inches in both width and depth. Very important. The pot must have drainage holes. Without drainage, water will collect, and the roots will rot. You can use plastic or terracotta pots. Both work well. Terracotta pots are better because they breathe and reduce overwatering. Best soil mix. Now, let us prepare the soil. Use a loose and well-draining soil mix. Mix 40% garden soil or coco peat, 30% compost or well-rotted cow manure, 20% river sand or perlite, and 10% vermicompost. How to start from seeds? There are two ways to grow a curry leaf plant. The first method is from seeds. This is the cheapest method, but it is slow. Collect ripe blackberries from an existing curry leaf plant. Remove the pulp and wash the seeds well. Sow the seeds 1 inch deep in soil. Keep the soil moist but not soggy. Germination takes 2 to 4 weeks. Be patient. When the plant develops 2 to 3 sets of leaves, transplant it into a bigger pot. From cuttings, fast method. The second method is from stem cuttings. This is the fastest and most reliable method. Take a cutting that is 8 to 10 inches long. Choose a semi-hardwood stem. Not soft green, not fully woody. Remove the leaves from the lower half. Fill a small pot with soil mix, water it well, and allow excess water to drain. Dip the cutting in rooting hormone. This step is optional, but it speeds up rooting. You can also use fresh aloe vera gel. Plant the cutting in the soil. Cover the pot with the transparent plastic bag. Place it in a warm, bright place, away from direct sunlight. This creates a mini greenhouse effect. Open the bag once a week and lightly mist the soil. Roots will develop in 3 to 8 weeks. Sunlight and location. Curry leaf plants love sunlight. They need 5 to 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Morning sunlight is the best. In very hot climates, above 40 degrees Celsius, give afternoon shade. If you are growing indoors, keep the plant near a south-facing window. Use a grow light. If natural sunlight is not enough, watering rules: water only when the top 1 to 2 inches of soil feel dry. You can test this by inserting your finger into the soil. In summer, water every 2 to 3 days. In winter, water once a week. During hot weather, light misting on the leaves helps increase humidity. Fertilizing schedule. Avoid chemical fertilizers. Curry leaf plants do not like them. For young plants up to 3 months old, use liquid seaweed Every 15 days, after 3 months, once a month, add a handful of well-rotted cow manure or vermicompost. Every 2 months, give Epsom salt for deep green leaves. Once every 3 months, add neem cake liquid to prevent pests. Pruning. The plant reaches 6 to 12 inches in height. Cut the top tip. This forces side branches to grow. When the branches grow 8 to 12 inches long, prune again. Always cut just above a leaf node. Repotting. Repot the plant every 2 years, or repot earlier if roots start coming out of the drainage holes. Each time, choose a pot 2 to 3 inches bigger. Harvesting. Start harvesting only after 6 to 8 months, when the plant is strong. Never remove more than 30% of the leaves at one time. The best method is to cut small branchlets 2 to 4 inches long. This encourages more new growth. Light green leaves have the best aroma. Storing curry leaves. To store curry leaves, dry the stems in shade for 4 to 5 days, then store them in an airtight container. They will last 6 to 12 months. Common problems. Yellow leaves usually mean overwatering or iron deficiency. Use chelated iron or Epsom salt. Leaf drop can happen due to sudden temperature changes or underwatering. For aphids or mealy bugs, spray neem oil solution. Mix 1 teaspoon neem oil and 2 drops dish soap in 1 liter of water. Cold climate bonus. If temperatures fall below 10 degrees Celsius, bring the plant indoors. Follow these steps, and within 6 to 12 months, you will have your own endless supply of fresh curry leaves. Now tell me in the comments, are you growing your plant from seeds or from cuttings? If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. I share new gardening videos every week.